Hi teacher, we are the drying cocoa team of ESC 8A and I'm going to present you our project.
Hi, how about this? It's a pleasure to greet you. My name is David Antonio Rodriguez Ramirez. I am studying at the Polytechnic University of the Gulf of Mexico, studying automation and industrial control engineering, and I am going to talk about our project, which is cocoa dryer. Our project is to be as safe as possible. It is designed to dry a generous amount in a relatively short time, which as it is traditional dry. Traditional dry takes a long time. In addition to fact that it's not the same due to humidity, it so that varies greatly, quickly in your region, which is why this project is designed for that to help the communities that are dedicated to the purchase, sale of the products in question, and for the people who are dedicated to sale of the products that derive from these such as the well, the dudes, etc. Then my partner will explain more about the subject. Background. In the past, the drying of cocoa beans was carried out by exposing the wheat beans to the heat caused naturally by the sun, and it is a very effective technique on sunny days in April, May, and June. But at the end of the dry period and hot season, the cloudy and rainy days begin, and that is when the local farmers face a problem as they must wait during the remaining months for the few sunny days to dry the cocoa. Cocoa needs a specific temperature to bleed to dry, which we will use as reference to guide us in drying the beans, since they are going to dry or dehydrated. The need to solve this problem led not only farmers but also many engineers and other people involved in the different processes and transformation of the cocoa bean of steam or a way to obtain dry beans in any other season or season of the year, leading to dryers.
Hi, my name is Lino Rodrigo Manzano Cruz and I'm going to talk about the objectives and process diagram.
General objective: design and manufacture a machine for drying cocoa, which is economically accessible to cocoa producers in Tabasco. Specific objectives: design a machine with flexible technology, manufacture the machine in Tabasco, reduce the environmental impact with the development of sustainable machine, 100% Mexican technical support. The order of our process is as follows. It is important to have a container of 50 kilograms minimum with wet cocoa. The bean passed to the container of the drying machine, and as soon as the capacity of the machine is met, the grain is no longer a dead. The drying process begins. As soon as it reaches the desired drying level, the ventilation process is activated, and as soon as the desired temperature is reached, the dried cocoa is emptied into the container and the process is finished.
Hi teacher, my name is Osvaldo and I'm going to explain the part of ergonomy, security and general cost. In the part of security and ergonomy we have the following. It will consist of three switches on a board for on-off function, suitably dimensioned for quick product introduction. This is in the topic of ergonomy. In security we have use the appropriate safety materials for handling, as well as reliable closing system, edge protected with rubbers, and compact design for quick handling. Also, the operator must have protective equipment, heat resistant gloves with nitrile coating, anti-skid industrial boots, glasses, breastplates or overalls. This is for security topic. In the part of general cost we have three topics: mechanic, electric and electronic. In the mechanic part we pay a total of 4,000 with 60 pesos. with 61 cents. In the electric part, we pay 2,000 with 168 pesos. In the electronic part, we pay 5,000 with 454 pesos with 50 cents. The total is 11,000 with 6,000. In the total is 11,000 with 673 pesos with 11 cents. Inside of the mechanic part, we have pans and gears. In the electric part, we have the wires and the motor. The motor is important because the element is going to rotate the cylinder. In the electronic part, we have the Arduino Mega and the Bluetooth chip. The Arduino Mega is other element very important because it's the brain of all this project.
Hello, my name is Jose Martin Vázquez Rodriguez, and next I will show the scene section of the project in AutoCAD software. AutoCAD software is a very useful program for the design and modeling of structure and mechanical elements of the previous construction. Our project has 4 pieces made with AutoCAD, which will be manufactured with us. The pieces are the picture, drilling cylinder, gearbox, and electric heaters. Then my colleague will continue the presentation. Thank you very much.
Hi teacher, my name is Pedro. I explain the electrical diagram.
To make it more understandable, we will divide the connections in 3 parts. First, we connect the Bluetooth HC05 to the Arduino. We connect the RxD pin of the Bluetooth to the pin 11 of the Arduino. It is the orange line that we see in the diagram. We connect the TRD pin of the Bluetooth to the digital pin 10 of the Arduino. It is the yellow line. We connect the GND of the Bluetooth to the GND of the Arduino. It is the black line. We connect the VCC pin of the Bluetooth to the 5V pin of the Arduino. It is the red line. The second part consists of connecting the relay. It has 5 outputs, of which we will only use 4, which to better understand we will name team which a line color. We connect an output to digital pin 2 of the Arduino. It is the green cable. We connect an output to the GND of the Arduino. It is the black line. We connect another output to the volts. It is a purple line. Finally, we connect one of the outputs to the single phase. It is the blue line. The third part, we will make the last connections. The plus has 2 outputs, of which one we are already connecting to the relay. Another we connecting to the motor. It is the blue line. To finish, we connecting to hairs in the same motor connections.
Well, I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for paying attention.